Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by loading the YouTube video in Chrome and getting PyP active immediately. Once the video is playing, right-click the player twice to surface Chrome's context menu, then choose Picture-in-Picture. This bypasses site overlays and hands Chrome the PyP window. Make sure your Chrome is up to date because older versions lack native PyP support. If you're using an embedded player or restricted UI, open YouTube directly in a new tab before triggering PyP so controls behave predictably. Once PyP is open, position and resize that floating window to suit your workflow. Dragging corners preserves the video's aspect ratio so nothing looks stretched. Remember that PyP is a mirror of the tab. If you pause or seek in the YouTube tab, the PyP updates, so use the tab for precise seeking or quality changes. Use Chrome's small PyP controls to play /pause and close, and toggle mute when you need silent viewing. Also note keyboard shortcuts in the tab remain effective for playback control. To finish, close the PyP window with its X or click the tab to bring the normal player back into focus. The video will continue in the tab. If PyP refuses to open, disable extensions that alter video or context menus, and reload the page because ad blockers or custom UI extensions commonly interfere. Once done, update Chrome and try incognito. If PyP works there, an extension was the issue. If not, test a different video to rule out YouTube player-specific problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.